Imagine having the ability to bring your dreams and desires into reality simply by writing them down. This is the essence of scripting manifestation, a powerful tool for consciously creating your ideal life. Scripting combines visualization, intention, and the act of writing to align your thoughts and energy with what you want to manifest. In this guide, we'll delve into the fundamentals of scripting manifestation, its benefits, and how you can effectively use it to transform your life. What is scripting manifestation? Scripting manifestation is a technique that involves writing out your goals, dreams, and desires as if they have already happened. It's akin to writing a diary entry about your future self, experiencing the life you've always dreamed of. This practice leverages the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. By focusing on the emotions, details, and outcomes you desire, you align your energy with these realities and attract them into your life. Why scripting works: focuses your mind. Writing down your desires helps clarify what you truly want and brings your intentions into sharp focus. Engages emotions. By imagining yourself living your dream life, you generate the feelings of joy, gratitude, and excitement that align with your manifestation. Shifts your belief system. The act of scripting trains your subconscious mind to accept your desires as achievable and real. Signals the universe. Through scripting, you send a clear, confident message to the universe about your intentions, setting the wheels of manifestation in motion. How to script manifestation. Follow these steps to create a powerful scripting practice. Set the mood. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Light a candle, play soothing music, or meditate for a few minutes to center your mind and energy. Use present tense. Write your script as though your desires have already come true. For example, instead of saying, "I want a fulfilling job," write, "I am thriving in my dream career." Be specific. Include as many details as possible. Describe how your surroundings look, how you feel, who is with you, and any other specifics that make your script vivid and real. Focus on feelings. Emotions are the secret ingredient in scripting manifestation. Describe the joy, gratitude, and excitement you feel now that your desires have manifested. Practice gratitude. Conclude your script by expressing gratitude for your manifested desires. Gratitude amplifies your positive energy and reinforces your connection to the universe. Revisit your script. Read your script daily or whenever you need a boost of inspiration. Feel the emotions as if you are living the life you've written about. An example of scripting. Here's an example to help you get started. Today is the most amazing day of my life. I wake up in my dream home, sunlight streaming through the large windows, and I feel so grateful to be here. My career brings me immense joy and abundance, and I work with people who inspire me every day. My relationships are loving and supportive, and I am surrounded by friends and family who uplift me. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. Thank you, universe, for this beautiful life. I feel so blessed and excited for all the good things coming my way. Tips for successful scripting. Write regularly. Make scripting a consistent habit, whether daily, weekly, or whenever you feel inspired. Let go of doubt. Believe that what you've written is on its way to you. Avoid second-guessing or doubting the process. Keep it positive. Focus only on what you want, not what you don't want. Replace phrases like, "I don't want to struggle with money," with, "I am financially free and abundant." Stay open. Be open to receiving your desires in ways you might not expect. Trust that the universe knows the best way to deliver. The benefits of scripting manifestation: increased clarity. By writing out your desires, you gain a deeper understanding of what truly matters to you. Enhanced positivity. Focusing on your ideal life uplifts your mood and creates a positive outlook. Greater alignment. Scripting helps you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your goals. Improved manifestation results. A focused and consistent scripting practice can accelerate the manifestation of your dreams. Conclusion. Scripting manifestation is more than just writing. It's a transformative practice that bridges the gap between your dreams and your reality. By visualizing, feeling, and expressing gratitude for your desires as if they have already come true, you align yourself with the powerful energy of manifestation. Start scripting today and watch as the universe begins to work its magic, bringing your dreams into existence.